Welcome back to Testonneed. In this video, we are going to know about how to add and use widgets in WordPress. Many people ask us what are widgets and how to use widgets in WordPress. First of all, widgets allow you to add different functionality and features to your WordPress sidebars without writing any code at all. It's just like a drag and drop things. That's it. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add and use widgets in WordPress along with sharing widget examples. See, in appearance, you can see a module widgets. Go to that. Here you can see a lot of predefined widgets here. Yeah, it's like a tiny box of specific functionality that you can place in your WordPress sidebars. For beginners, this is an easy way to add things like galleries, codes, popular posts, Facebook like boxes, and like other any dynamic items in your WordPress site. So you will see the widgets that you can add under the list of available widget area here. Before going to use these widgets, let's see. Now I'm going to add this about like okay calendar. I'm going to add this calendar widget to my widget sidebar area. You may confuse what is that widget, how it will look in my site. See, I'm going to go to our live site here. You, this is our sidebar area. Here you didn't see any calendar right now. Now I'm going to add a calendar widget here, and you may see after let's say you can add any title here. Let's see, refresh your page. That's it. This is the calendar widget. Now you may understand how this widget will work. This is it. Without any coding stuff, any user or any fresher can do this without understanding any backend code work. That's it. There are lots of things, a lot of widgets available in WordPress differently. You can add gallery, for example. Let's say we will try to add one more example here. Let's add some images. You have to add images to your library so that you can view the images. I have already uploaded this. You can add sorry. These kind of titles, captions, each and everything will help in SEO when it comes to Google rank. So keep a hand keep a habit of adding these things very carefully, which is very helpful for your future accommodations in your website once it is completed in a full view, right? So I'm going to create a gallery here and I'm going to insert it. Remember to save it. If you want to see your gallery here, my template is added. You can also comment. You can allow users, visitors to your website, comment here, and you can communicate with them through this. You can post. You can use as a blog. This is how a blog will be created. These are the basic initial steps. In the upcoming videos, we will learn more about how to do that in a very specific manner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Test on me. Thank you.